Good morning, guys, and happy Wednesday. It is May the 6th. In ELA today, we actually have a lot in ELA. We have reading, we have letterland, and we have writing. So not a lot, but a lot of components. We are going to read a new story called Good Look at the Castle. And we're just going to review identifying events and then talk about the events in the story. And you're actually going to talk to your parents about the events in the story. Then you're going to do a letterland worksheet, just like we did yesterday, how we found out the R blends for the pictures to match it. And then we have a writing assignment today. We have no science or social studies. We have a math today, and then you're going to choose a P and R activity, okay? So we're going to start out with our reading. And identifying events, this is what you're going to go over. So an event is something that happens in a story, right? So when you're talking about a story or you're telling about a story, you're telling about things happening, right? So major events are the most important parts or most important events in a story. When you're reading or listening to a story, you need to ask yourself, what happens in this part of the story? What is the major event in this part of the story? And think about events. Thinking about the events helps you understand and remember the story, okay? So our story today is called Good Luck at the Castle. Good Luck at the Castle. It is again by Amelia Scott. Mai was in Japan. She and Sofu found her grandfather were visiting a castle. Pink flowers fell from the cherry tree. Mai caught some flowers. She put them in her bag next to her lucky charm. So, she is in Japan. That's important to know, right? We want to know that she's in Japan. That's important. She's visiting who? Who is she visiting? She's visiting her grandfather, and together they are at a castle. Do you see the castle in the picture? So we see that the castle in the picture goes with the wording. And what is she doing? She's putting what? She's putting the flowers from the cherry trees in her bag. Next to what? Her lucky charm. And she got that lucky charm in our story that we read yesterday, right? The lady gave it to her after what happened? What did the deers do to her? They knocked her down. So cherry trees are very well known in Japan. And they're these really pretty pink trees. Let me pull it up for you and show you what a cherry tree is. So if we search images, these are these beautiful cherry trees. Actually, I'm pretty sure that my mom has one in her yard. It doesn't give off the pink color, but it gives off more of this white pink color, like that one. And they're very, very, very pretty. So those are cherry trees, okay? Okay, so let's go back to our story. I just wanted to show you guys that. Mai ran ahead of Sofu. And who is Sofu? Sofu is her grandfather, right? Mai is from America, and she is visiting her grandfather. And where? In Japan. She climbed a tree. She climbed a tree. Look at the picture. Is the picture matching the story that we're reading? Yes. Okay. Please come down, Sofu said. Mai came down. Sofu smiled. So he's smiling and she's coming down from her tree, from the tree that she climbed. And what kind of tree did she climb? She climbed the cherry tree, right? Good. There was a river by the castle. Mai wanted to put her flowers in the water. Mai looked inside her bag for the flowers. She found the flowers, but her lucky charm was gone. Maybe it fell out when you climbed the tree, Sofu said. So, what's by the castle? There is a river by the castle. And what does Mai want to do? What does she want to do? She wants to put her flowers in the water. Good. Did she find the flowers? Yes, she found the flowers, but what was not there? Her lucky charm was gone. Good, it was not there. And then Sofu, which is her grandfather, he said, maybe it fell out when you were doing what? Climbing the tree. Very good. Mai ran back. She saw a small girl near the tree. The girl had Mai's lucky charm. And if you look at the picture, that matches. So the pictures help us identify what's happening in the picture. She came back to where? Mai came back to the cherry tree, and what's going on? There was a little girl that had her charm. There's her lucky charm right there. Excuse me, Mai said. That is my lucky charm. I need good luck to find my mom, the girl said. I ran ahead. Now I don't know where she is. Oh, that's really important. Why does the little girl need the charm? Why does she think she needs the charm? She needs the charm to find her mom, because why? She got lost from her parents or from her mom. She ran ahead of her because she got so excited, and now they're lost from each other. So she thinks she needs the lucky charm. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think she's going to find her mom? Or do you not think she's going to find her mom? You do? Okay, let's see. I can help you, Mai said. She took the girl to Sofu. She was with someone. It was the girl's mom. She thanked Mai for her help. Mai let the girl keep the lucky charm. I hope it brings you good luck, Mai said to the girl. So, in this picture, what's happening? What happened? So Mai and the little girl came back, and they found who? Sofu and the little girl's mom. Who got to keep the lucky charm? Mai let the little girl keep the lucky charm. Very good. So I want you to talk to your parents about the story and tell them as many details and events that you can remember, okay? The events of the story, the things that happened in the story. I want you to retell the story to your parents, okay? All right, guys. I will see you at Letterland and Writing.